Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best toaster oven on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Oven DT201. We think the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Oven DT201 is an exceptionally well thought out product that gives an excellent cooking performance, no matter which setting you use. The digital controls and readout are all contained on the handle, which puts them at a level where they're very easy to see and read. It also means the size of the product is the size of the oven cavity, so you make the most use of the space. With the Ninja, you get 2 oven racks which can be used to heat up 2 12-inch pizzas at once. You can also use one rack along with the air frying basket to cook a roast and a mess of veggies at the same time. Not only can the Ninja toast 9 slices of toast at a time, it actually browns them all evenly. When you select a function on the control panel, the oven tells you which rack position to use. Our only complaint about the Ninja is that the glass door gets super hot when it's running, reaching temperatures as high as 282 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also somewhat noisy, with a dBA reading of 61.3, which was on par with the loudest toaster oven we saw on test. Although the manufacturer recommends hand washing all of the accessories, they clean up fairly easily and they can go in the dishwasher. Number 2. Our second best pick is Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a whole lot more than a humble toaster oven. In addition to making toast and heating frozen pizza, it can just about replace your full-size oven for everything from baking cookies to making a roast dinner. Come the holidays, it can handle the biscuits or the sweet potato casserole. It's larger than a typical model and comes with a steep price tag, but with all its capabilities and handsome appearance, we think it's worth the countertop space and the splurge. In addition to the air frying, toasting, baking, and broiling settings found on most toaster ovens, the Breville has ones for slow cooking, dehydrating, proofing, and reheating. It does just about every task well, excelling at roasting a chicken, baking cake, and air frying breaded chicken cutlets. A large LCD screen displays the settings which are selected by using dials and buttons. With brushed stainless steel surfaces, the Breville has a beautiful upscale look. However, it can get excessively hot during cooking. The top of the glass window reached temperatures as high as 252 degrees Fahrenheit during our tests. Thankfully, the towel bar handle and controls stay cool enough to touch. Number 3. Our third best pick is KitchenAid Digital Countertop Oven with Air Fryer. If you're really fussy about how your toast comes out, you'll love the KitchenAid Digital Countertop Oven with Air Fryer. It produces evenly browned bread that matches the chosen setting. However, you can also use it for roasting, air frying, baking, and broiling. Even though it's more compact than other toaster ovens, it has enough room to roast 2 chickens or bake a large lasagna. In particular, the KitchenAid excels at air frying, turning out made-from-scratch French fries to rival the ones you get at your favorite bistro. On this model you use a dial and a series of buttons to select your settings, which are displayed on a small LCD screen. As on most toaster ovens, the glass door can get very hot. We measured temperatures as high as 278 degrees Fahrenheit during the air fry mode, although the controls remained cool enough to touch. The KitchenAid is average in terms of noise at 54.4 dB, but you can chat over it as you cook. You get a large, shallow enamel baking pan with this oven. While the pan and the racks are dishwasher safe, the manufacturer recommends hand washing them. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. For toasting and air frying, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a great purchase. You can also depend on it to roast a whole chicken or broil burgers, so you won't have to rely on your full-size oven as much. However, it's not the oven for you if you want to bake cookies or cake. In our tests, it consistently turned out close to burnt baked goods. That said, if you love bagels and toast, this is a sound choice. The Cuisinart is boxy rather than rectangular like most toaster ovens, which means it will take up less space on your countertop. As it has well-marked dials rather than digital controls, the oven's very intuitive to operate. However, it's hard to set the mechanical timer precisely and there are no pre-programmed settings. For suggested temperatures and times, you have to refer to the manual. We found this model was fairly quiet in operation, producing readings of 54.7 dB, so it shouldn't interfere with kitchen conversation while you're cooking. You need to hand wash the baking pan and air frying basket and be prepared to use a little elbow grease to get them spotless. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Hamilton Beach Air Fryer SureCrisp Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach Air Fryer SureCrisp Toaster Oven has a traditional design updated with a stainless steel finish. It's compact and affordable and is a great model for toasting, reheating, and broiling, but isn't the one to choose if you're looking for a secondary oven. In addition to not being large enough to roast a whole chicken, it's not great at baking. Although it does air fry, it doesn't brown and crisp food as well as a dedicated air fryer or the other toaster oven air fryers we tested. Having said that, it's less than a quarter of the price compared to our winner, and is great value for a fair performance. This model is controlled by 3 small dials, which makes it easy to use. However, you set the time via a mechanical timer, which means it's hard to set precisely. This could be an issue for baking where exact timing is important. The glass door of this unit reached a whopping 322 degrees Fahrenheit when it was operating, and we measured a temperature of 146.8 degrees Fahrenheit on the handle, which means you must wear protection when you open/close it while running. The Hamilton Beach is exceptionally quiet when it's cooking at just 50.4 dB. This is the quietest of all of the toaster ovens we had on test. With the oven you get a small aluminum roasting pan, which is prone to staining and discoloration. All of the accessories need to be hand washed. So it's not the most convenient, but it's a great entry-level model if you're new to toaster ovens. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.